welcome to another episode of Negus Speak. You see me? But there I say, yo. Yo, that 876 roommate thing out. It Yo, the man them funny, brother. You see me? Yo, I tell you this right now. Big up to Kyng Tavii and big up World Dawg. You see me? This is just it's funny. It's funny, but it's sad at the same time. You see me? It's funny, but it's sad at the same time. I personally don't know Kyng Tavii. You see me? I've watched some of his content. Very talented youth. You see me? Big up Kyng Tavii. And I know World Dawg. I work with World Dawg already, you know, on a few videos. You see me? Big up World Dawg, said speed. You see me? Drink and play Ludi with the G. You see me? But the reason why I'm say it's sad is because, two of Jamaica's favorite content creator, aka comedian, them is at it. You see me? And nobody now say conflict now gonna rise up, and everybody, we are human being, everybody now get along. But Jesus Christ, man. Right now I don't even know who to believe. Because the two party them I say that one a bad mind, and then that one I say that one a bad mind. One I say man I want bad mind him for Vans. And this man say yo home for bad mind for Vans when time you have on Gucci. Yo, but a big man levels, as we say, it's sad and funny. You see me? The first reality game show like that, we come out of Jamaica. It's full of controversy and it just, you see me? When we go to watch them, them nowadays, not nowadays, them American game show, like real world road rules and them thing there. I don't know if you remember them thing about MTV. You see me? Road rules when they, people them from the reality TV show them come and them go through certain challenges. You see me? Pretty similar like, 876 roommate. But for something so big come out of Jamaica and we see the level of drama where they on the TV show, it's sad. I don't like see that. And the thing about the drama sell, controversy sell, but Jesus Christ, man. Jesus Christ, man. Yo, everybody ask me, yo, Negus, what making the part 876, brother? Is when it come to Jamaican and competition, I don't like they run it. I don't like they run them. And its own mess up, but on a big man levels, I don't like they run. It's because we as Jamaican, we're full of ego, full of pride. And so when it come to competition, we are a different breed of people. I don't like that. But no, so some foolishness that go on in the one time. You see me, the man them I go some man and them I reach out to people and say people submit in a video and try to get on the show. I did not submit anything. I did not reach out to nobody. Because I personally know there was gonna be some drama there. Whole heap of emotion. When we see the dog them I fight for foolishness. And everybody explain themselves on live. Everybody explain themselves on this and vice recordings come out and right now, I don't even know who to believe. I don't even know who to believe. Because everybody bad mind. Everybody hate that person and that person hate me and him a P hole and that one a B hole and ray. I said, Jano, where is the truth in all of this? Why we as yardman can't go some stop the thing and know see your era? You know what? Yeah, I take this to the next level, I deal with the thing the right way. No, it have to be drama because when it comes to yardman and competition, we can never compete and still get along. Basically, Kyng Tavii attack say, yo, the whole house against him and Killer Miller the only person where, you see me, him rap with a ray, the whole house against him, the whole house bad mind him and World Dawg puppy them already. The man say World Dawg puppy them and suck on the nipple. Yo, it's when it comes to Jamaica and competition, brother. I try to stay away, brother. I swear to God. World Dawg, I say, yo, the dog violate. And it's a one bag thing. It come to the point now where I don't even know who is telling the truth. I don't know who is telling the truth. Because Kyng Tavii say, yo, here what? Some of the people in the World Dawg, them say, oh, I'm too loud. Why am I in team and ray. Tell them something there. Fake love. Man, I show you fake love and then two twos behind your back. A lone stabbing I get in your back. Lone stabbings. The fake love thing, man, I like that. And I can tell you this right now. I go around certain Jamaican comedian and work with certain Jamaican comedian and hear them talk about other Jamaican comedian. And then two now, and they may see a par. And I said, wait, so that man, and you say that man eat front and that man a Batman and I'm confused. So me go so more, I say to myself, yo, if them say them thing about them man, what them I gonna say about you? Cause me a yard man, of course. But me not move like the typical yard man. If you don't know me, you will notice. Me not move like the typical yard man. Certain things me not indulge in and certain things me not say. Certain things, me like, me just feel like say, I'm not the typical yard man. So if them say them thing about them mania and then two twos, you see them apart, what them I gonna say about you Negus? What them I gonna say about you Negus? Certain man I run certain joke, me even know if them attack truth or if I just joke. I tell joke under the quiet. When the whole walkers would think come up, some of them, the way the man them a move, me even know if the man them serious or the man them a joke. I'm afraid of some of them youth here. And it's no, me not talk about Kyng Tavii, I'm not talk about World Dawg, I'm not talk about Jamaican in general. I'm afraid. You talk bad about that individual, yeah, and then two twos, you and them apart. Oh, yo, man, who the man, I'm catch it, you know. I mean, two of them apart. Yo, the man, they are Batman, you know. Two of them apart. What me I gonna do? What me I gonna do after that video? Me gonna review the two man them live. Because World Dawg did go live. You see me? World Dawg did go live with Lincoln and our next brother. And then now Kyng Tavii go live. I talk about the whole situation. And the two live them long. They're about 30 minutes. Round it after 30 minutes each. But it's when it comes to Jamaican and competition, we don't know how to separate the two and just compete and then go back to normal. I don't know. But I come take on myself, you know, because it's funny, but I don't like it. It's funny, but I don't like it. We can compete and then just know, say, yo, that's what it is. Just a competition and we'll go back normal. Too much pride and ego, man. I don't like them thing there. I don't like them thing there. I swear to God, I don't like it. But, you know, it makes for good entertainment. You understand? I'm glad to say, no man, I'm take it to a far level. You see me? No gun involved, nobody no get stabbed up or whatever. You see me? I just a one thump. You see me? Or two thump. One of them never connect, as Tavii say. You see me? Big up the two man them. We just wish say it turn out different. You understand? Big up on yourself. Big up World Dawg, big up Kyng Tavii. Two talented youths. Two youths where, you know, the thing and, you know, Jamaica look up to, you know. The kids them look up to, you understand? So, bless up on yourself. You understand? We're out.